guys, it's me, William, and today I'm at something else right now because I'm actually at Sydney today, and I went to the Lego shop, and guess what I got? That's right. It is actually the Lego Spider-Man Far From Home, like 3-pack minifigure thingies, but I don't know. But yeah, so I actually found this at the Lego shop at Sydney. So it has 49 pieces, and it comes with 3 minifigures: Spider-Man, Ned Leeds, and this girl that I don't really know. I know she's from the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., but if you know her name, let me know in the comment section below. So I'm gonna say I don't know this language because I can't say it because I'm actually English. So but who cares? Let's just open it. Okay. So I'm gonna start building the Spider-Tron thingy. So here has all of the Lego pieces, and sorry guys, and the instructions. So yeah, let's get started. So I won't be talking in this whole video, but I'll just build this whole thing and then I'll just talk again. So how are you guys doing today? So you guys doing good? Are you guys doing bad or something? So just almost going to be done, you guys. Sorry guys about the noise actually. Sorry guys about the noise, like I know there's like so much noise over there, but just ignore it and then just watch me build. Sorry guys, I was just seeing what was that. Right. Sorry guys, I'm almost done building it. Okay. So I'm done building this screen. I'll show you this in a minute. So now I'm just going to move on with the Lego minifigures. Sorry guys, I was just looking for Ned's head. Sorry, just keep watching. Go. And guys, don't give it like a thumbs down because I know my parents are like so loud a bit, and my brother as well. But just don't give it a thumbs down. It's gonna be fine. Like it is. Okay. So yeah, I'm done. So let's start off with the minifigures. First off, we have Spider-Man, the important one actually. So there's nothing really much. There's nothing really much special about him. He just has like this homecoming suit still on, and yeah. So he has like the back spider, the arm printing, also the torso printing, and the leg printing a bit. You can't really see it. And he actually comes with two heads, actually. One that has his mask off, and I actually never seen this one. So this is the face that he probably eats his pizza. Yum yum yum. But if you put it on like this, it looks really cool. It's like how Tom Holland actually is like eating something. So it also comes with pizza and this web shooter thingy. So yeah. So yeah, that's Spider-Man. So next we have Ned Leeds. Now I did my custom one, but it was not really good, I think, because I didn't like my one. But this one is really much better. It actually looks like Jacob. So he has like the blue pants, like this torso thingy, and a head. And then he has two faces, one that's happy and one that's probably scared a bit. So, right here. So, yeah, that's Ned Leeds. So, next up, I actually don't know this girl. I'm sorry guys, but I don't know who this girl is, but I actually know she's from the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. But anyways, she has like this boring old hair. And then she has like this face. She actually has two faces as well. Like one that's probably confused and one is probably a bit angry. So yeah. And he has like this Bruce Banner torso from Avengers Infinity War and this dark blue pants. So next we have like these thingies, which I don't know what they are, but I actually do know what they are, but I don't know what the names are. I mean, oh my gosh, but I don't know what these things are, but if you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. Next we have like this Jordan thingy. It probably moves a bit, like, and you can spin one of these. Yeah, so yeah, it has like this orange bit. It can't fire. Then you could just take it off a bit, like here, like right here a bit. And it also comes with this stand. So yeah. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. So my next video, when I go away to Sydney and get back to my house, I actually got the Stark Jets Attack the Drones thing set from Spider-Man Far From Home. So stay tuned until that set is coming. This video of the Stark Jet set is coming out very soon, so don't miss that. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.